Now it's time for your second formative assessment. So this time for your English literature, the topic chosen is childhood memories and the method is creative writing. Now how you will do the project, I will explain in detail page wise. But before that, one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to do your project this time in your buzzword notebook. Okay, and you have to start from a fresh page. On the first page, what you will write? The first page where from you are starting, there first of all you will write second formative assessment, then subject English literature, then topic I have already told, childhood memories, and the method is creative writing. Okay, this much only you will write on the first page neatly. Okay, neatness is required, remember this. Now come to the second page. On the second page, draw, paint or paste a picture of your childhood and give a suitable catchy caption to it. That means what you have to do, if possible, try to collect a picture of your childhood from your family album and paste it, and if not possible, then draw or paint such a picture of your childhood and present it on the second page and give a suitable catchy caption on the top of the page. Okay, that means a heading. Now come to the third page. On the third page, describe the picture in detail. That means the picture you have chosen, they are who were there with you, what you were doing there, how you were enjoying that particular moment, everything you will write in detail. In your description, you may tell something about a particular object or person present in the picture who or which is closely associated with your childhood days, as the cashew nut tree is so closely associated with the childhood days of the poetess Toru Dutt. So students, you have already read the poem Cashew Nut Tree. There you have seen how the poetess recalls her childhood days whenever she looks at the tree. So this way, similarly, in the picture there may be a particular person, he or she may be your uncle or aunt, your grandma or grandpa, or one of your friends or cousins who is closely associated with your childhood days. He or she may be till now with you, may not be there, but whenever you think of him or her, you remember of your childhood days. Okay, so about him or her you write something, or it can be a particular object like a swing in the garden or a bicycle with which you spent a lot of time in your childhood days, and whenever you look at the picture of this, you recall your childhood days. So this way you will give the description, but that does not mean that the entire description will revolve around this particular person or object. You have to say something else also. Okay, and the word limit should be 120, within 120. It should not exceed 120. Okay, this you will keep in mind, and if required you can take one more page, no problem. But as it is a presentation, so remember, it's a project, it's a presentation, so do it nicely for good marks. Now the final thing, hope you will enjoy doing this project, and the final thing is, after doing this in your buzzword notebook, when you will make the PDF, that time don't forget to rename your PDF file with your name and roll number, otherwise it will be very difficult for us to identify. So hope this much is clear to you. You will be able to do the project now easily. Thank you.